Hi everyone! So glad you're here. In this video, I'm going to guide you through crocheting a gorgeous chili pepper. It looks so lifelike. You can totally use it as a keychain or for any decorations you're thinking of. This idea is pretty unique, and I really wanted to share it with you all. The crocheting part is fairly easy, but there are a few little tricks, so make sure you watch until the end of the video to catch them. So, we're going to start by crocheting the chili pepper itself, and I'm using red yarn. Alright, the very first step is to make a magic ring. First, I'm going to chain 1, and then I'll work 6 single crochets into the magic ring. Okay. So once we finish the first round, we're not going to join. Instead, we're going straight into the second round, starting with 1 single crochet. Now, I'm going to place a stitch marker in that very first single crochet. Right in that same stitch, we're going to crochet another single crochet. So that means we have 2 single crochets in the same stitch, which is also called an increase. Now, for all the following stitches, we're going to do the exact same thing. 2 single crochets in each stitch. So, when we reach the end of this round, we'll have a total of 12 stitches. Okay, for round 3, we're going to continue without joining, just like we did in the last round. We'll keep following this pattern from now on. So, to start this round, we'll make 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Now, for all the following stitches, we're just going to put 1 single crochet in each stitch. So, this round will have no increases or decreases. Okay, for round 4, we're going to start with a decrease. Okay, so we're going to insert our hook into the front loop of the next 2 stitches, and then yarn over and pull through. Now, yarn over again and pull through all the loops on your hook. That's 1 decrease made. Now, we're going to crochet 1 single crochet in each of the next 8 stitches. For the last 2 stitches, we're going to work them together as 1 decrease. Okay, for round 5, we're going to continue decreasing, starting with a decrease. Next, we're going to crochet 6 single crochets. For the last 2 stitches, we're going to work them together as 1 decrease. Alright, so for the 6th round, we're going to work 1 single crochet in each stitch, so no adding or taking away any stitches. Okay, so at this point we're going to stuff a little bit of fiber fill into the chili pepper. So, for round number 7, we're still going to decrease, and we'll start with 1. Next, we're going to crochet 4 single crochets, 1 in each of the next 4 stitches. And finally, we're going to make one last decrease. For round 8, we're just going to single crochet all the way around, with no increases or decreases. Okay, for round 9, we're going to continue decreasing with 1 decrease in this round. Then, we're going to crochet 2 single crochets. And the very last stitch will be a decrease. So, round 10, just 4 single crochets. Now, you'll want to crochet a few more of these chili peppers because later on, I'm going to show you how to attach the stem to them. You can go ahead and make about 4 more just like this one. And feel free to get creative with the colors. You can make some green ones or all red ones. Whatever you prefer. So now we're going to crochet this tiny little leaf. First, make a slip knot, and then chain 5. We're going to turn our work, and in the second chain from the hook, we're going to make a slip stitch. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet. And finally, we'll make 1 last single crochet, 1 slip stitch in this same stitch. And there you have 1 little leaf. Now we're going to repeat that exact same process for the second leaf. Okay, so now we're going to work on the stem that will join all our chili peppers together to make a chili bunch, okay? So now we're going to work on the stem that will join all our chili peppers together to make a chili bunch. Make a slip knot, and then chain 6, make a slip knot, and then chain 15. And then join with a slip stitch in the first chain to form a circle. After that, we're going to chain another 15. Now, if you crocheted more chili peppers, you might want to make this chain a bit longer. Cut yarn. Okay, so now we're going to cut a piece of yarn about 30 centimeters long. We'll use this to sew the chili peppers on. Take our needle and thread it through the top of the chili pepper, and then we'll stitch on the little stem. So after attaching the first chili pepper, we're going to bring our needle down about 3 chains and then sew on the second chili pepper. You've attached the second chili pepper. We're going to bring our needle back up through the other side of the chain. This will help the chili peppers sit in a staggered way. Just need to add the leaves now, and we're done. Alright, so here's our finished bunch of chili peppers. If you had any trouble during the crocheting process, or if you have any suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment down below and let me know. or even just a like would be greatly appreciated for the support. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next one.